I am at the entrance of the Muang Waterfall number 2. I must have missed number 1. I'm gonna have to backtrack, but this is just the entrance. And I entered there, had to walk across this wooden bridge. The structural integrity may be questioned. There were nails, I did see nails, but other than that, just rope holding the bridge together, and it kind of like came down, kind of zigzagged a little bit, and here I am. There's nobody here, you guys. I saw another couple right before me. This place was a huge tourist attraction with elephant trekking and elephant riding, which is a no-no, and tiger shows, and just a huge tourist attraction, and everything is closed. All of that is so closed. So anyway, I don't know where to go from here. There's no signs. Oh wait, there is a sign. There's an arrow. I just saw that arrow that has stairs going up. Thank goodness, because I was going to take these rocks up. Okay, so there are signs that lead to the top of the waterfall. Okay, well, this is certainly a hike. Sometimes there's stairs, or steps rather, rock steps made out of rocks. Sometimes there's just the pathway, and sometimes there's tree roots. I'm almost to the top, I think. Sorry. You can see how closed down everything is. I'm not sure what used to be over there. I'm going to set the camera down and hop on the rocks and kind of explore. Okay, I had to take a rest. Still walking up the mountain. I've noticed to look for the rope. The rope will lead me back, and there's my next path. Still have more to go. Tired. Oh my glory. I don't see a rope, but I do see kind of a pathway. I wonder if that's the top. Let's go find out. Okay, 2 pathways to choose from. The left one or the right one. The right one has a green arrow. The red pill or the blue pill, people. And this is where I came up from. I had to climb over that fallen log. Woohoo! Still not to the top yet. I took the green arrow. It is a long way down from this rock that I'm standing on. And there's a hammock. Oh, good God. There's no rope, but I have been following this kind of path. That's where I came up from. I hope there is a top. The good thing is going back down will be a lot easier. I am still not up to the top. but this is where I'm going to stop for a little bit. I'll continue the path. I'm considering taking a dip right there. All right, you guys, remember to breathe when you see this. Breathe. Look at that view. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Julia Acetta's Journey. I'm at the Muang #2 waterfall. I have not quite reached the top yet. Hello. Well, you guys, I hit a wall. Literally. It's a giant rock. I'm not even sure if there was a pathway. I just kept climbing up. And I saw a sign that said swimming that had an arrow, and I was really excited, but I didn't see any place for swimming. So I'm gonna go back down. A final capture. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I'm not sure if I made it to the, well, I don't know if I made it to the top because I hit a wall, and that's my view. I'm going to sit and enjoy the view and the peace and, sweating. Enjoy the view and the peace and quiet. This waterfall was a tourist attraction. It is not anymore, but I have it all to myself. I wish you love and beauty. Thank you for watching. Love to all. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So walking up, I don't even know how long of a hike I did. Just all very gravelly, rocks, soil, fallen over branches, no pathway sometimes. The rope wasn't there some of the times. I just kept walking up, 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 up. There was a time when I was literally crawling up, walking on my hands and my forearms and my feet and knees, just clinging on to the rocks coming up here. The walk down will be easier, so, but definitely worth the experience, definitely worth the adventure. Just driving around the island of Koh Samui in southern Thailand and loving it. So I wish you many, many adventures as well.